31:39. In the blue finish racer 54, Nora went at 37:09. In the blue star racer 276, Sophie. In the red star racer 15, Roman. In the blue finish racer 171, Sienna with a 25:10. In the red finish racer 95, Sosuke with a 27:51. In the blue star racer 15, Roman. In the red star racer 161, Nora.
Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy.
In the blue star racer 2, Max. In the red star 9, Evelyn with a 25:90.
Good job, buddy.
You always get in the middle than me, right?
In the blue star racer 141, Lucas. In the red star racer 443, Maya. Blue finish racer 2. Hot chocolate, so if you want to stick around, you can. If not, you don't have to. We're going to get the 12s and 14s going here. Doing the course inspections. We'll get started racing here shortly.
すごいすごい。そうそうそうそう。で、こうやれば止まるから。